Ito naman na multiple choice question number 20 is giving us a learning on how the 10-year statutory period of limitation to collect taxes be applied. In 2024, the BIR discovered that Mr. Yap failed to file return income tax for the year 2015. So that was 9 years ago. The BIR decided to forgo the issuance of assessment and immediately file a civil case. For your information, they can do that without any assessment. Okay, so to collect the tax due to the omission, Mr. Yap argues that the BIR cannot collect because the 5-year assessment has long passed. So, is the BIR's action correct? The answer is, okay, ganito yan. Under the Section 222 kasi, sabi dito, in cases of false fraudulent return, the BIR has an exception to the standard procedure. So, kumbaga, hindi natin ma-apply yung 5 years natin dito, kundi yung 10 years. However, yung 10 years ay magsimula lang upon the discovery of the failure to file or there is a fraudulent return. Now, they may invoke the 10-year prescriptive period counting from the date of the discovery. They can do that without any prior assessment, okay? Or they will do the assessment, then collect the tax. So, ganito yan. There's two options that they can do on the manner on how they are going to collect the tax. Una ay pwede silang mag-assess muna, then within 10 years. Okay? Pagkatapos na magkaroon ng assessment, mayroon pa silang 5 years collection. Okay? Yung ikalawa naman, no assessment. Pero, but 10 years to collect. Okay? Yun yung second option. So, dalawa yan. Ang options na yan. So, tandaan mo yan kasi very important. It's not really given in a regular textbook. So, ganun yung mangyayari. Now, ang answer is letter B. Kasi cases, so yan, sabi na nga, yan, ito na yung explanation kanina na sinasabi. Now, paano kung, what if the BIR decided to issue an assessment fund first? So, anong mangyari regarding the 2015 omission do? So, dito siya sa first option. Kanina sa second option siya. So, how long they have to collect after that assessment? So, mag-resume siya back to 5 years. So, standard. Kasi nga, nagamit niya yung 10 years na from the date of discovery doon sa assessment. So, ngayon, since nagamit na niya, so back siya doon sa regular na 5-year collection. Hindi pwedeng 10 years, 10 years. 10 years assessment, 10 years collection. Hindi ganun.